Alright, boys and girls, this is the last time we're going to check on our water, and it is 1 o'clock. As you can see, the little arrow is right on the 1. And this, it's a little late, so I am going, it's 1:05, 1:10, somewhere around there. So I'm going to put it right there, because that is the exact time. But let's check on our little guys. So, ooh, this one, without even looking at it, I can tell it was in the sun, boys and girls, because I know you guys can't see what I'm feeling, but this water, it's hot. It is hot. And this one, let's see if you can guess. This one was the one that was outside. Yep. And as you can see, the little man is still in there. Alright, now let's go to the jar that was inside. This one also too, it is melted, but the water is nice and cold. My hand is in there. That's how cold it is. Let's see. Oh, and this little guy right here. And this little guy right here is, he's enjoying this cold water. So, as you can see, I think the difference between these two is the obvious. Is that one, this one that was in the sun, is hot. The water is hot. And this one that was inside, it's still melted, but it's still cold. It's still relatively cold. And it took how many hours? We started off at 9. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. It took 5 hours for the ice to completely melt, and despite of 5 hours, this one is still cold, while this one is still hot. So I guess what I would like to say to you, boys and girls, is it's important to stay in the shade, because if you're in the shade, you'll stay nice and cool. But later on, I'm going to show you something a little bit more, because it's more than just that, boys and girls. Water is so important. But we'll talk about that later, okay? Stay cool.